Hi dear friends! Tinted glass is actively replacing stainless steel and plastic to produce front doors of fridges and ovens. It allowed LG company to introduce new cutting-edge technology. Let's get acquainted with this wonderful opportunity.
I would like you to become acquainted with new kitchen appliances materials. They might take the place of plastic and stainless steel soon to make fridges and oven doors. For example, there is an oven door. It looks like it's a plexiglass. As a matter of fact, the door is made of opaque glass. First, I have been thinking that the oven is LG company development air fry InstaView, which lets you see what is cooking without opening the door. You just knock twice and the lights come on to watch this. In this case, the oven is just regular one, only the door is made of new material. That's all. By the way, oven InstaView technology allows to control the cooking process from the phone or even use Alexa. There is a fridge which front door is made of the same opaque glass. This is super modern material. Everything is reflected in it like in a mirror. To clean this material is super easy. Just use damp microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints and dirt. LG InstaView door-in-door refrigerators let you see inside without opening the door. Knock twice on the tinted glass panel and it will illuminate, letting you quickly browse your favorite food and beverages while preventing cold air from escaping. Besides oven and fridges, new material is used to make front doors of beverages and wine coolers. The material looks very attractive and modern, in particular black version of it, almost like a reflecting mirror. I have a feeling that tinted glass soon will successfully replace enamel and stainless steel. Besides, taking care of it does not require cleaning supplies and big efforts. Just take wet microfiber cloth and delete dust and fingerprints. Then polish with dry microfiber rag. Sometimes, instead, just breathe on stains and then polish.